Again.
It's a new dawn, it's a new game, it's a new time for me. Bum 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 bum.
We're gonna figure out how to play Devo.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go Torbjorn, Motorbike Man. Put some turrets down. Play of the game right there, just press Q. Press Q and watch. Oh, we got 3 Torbjorns. Come on, Deppy Slayer. Go Torbjorn. Let's do this. Deppy.
Yep.
Yes, Deppy.
Tenok.
I got you, boy.
Tenok and Travis Oled.
Oh, yes. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna happen? Oh, we got 4. We got 4. There's 4 of us. We can do this. I don't like this stuttering around. You boys like my bikey skin? Bikey for life. 10 out of 10 would ride.
Hell's Angels, best angel.
I think I've got it.
Alright, let's put our turrets up like everywhere. Goban, you do realize if you hit mine, it doesn't actually do anything.
I know. I'm just doing it for lols.
Quick!
Holy fuck, you can upgrade him. Hit it! Hit the turret!
Hit the turret! Quick! Jesse! We've actually...
Guys, he's behind me! Oh, my fucking con. Fucking
They can't even get out. They can't actually even get out.
Turret's been destroyed.
Can we like pick up our turret and move somewhere else?
You can just place a new turret down and it replaces your old turret.
But will it stay upgraded?
No, it won't. You're gonna upgrade it again from scratch.
Oh, fuck off.
Dude, 4 Torbjorns. 4 Torbjorns is the meta. Gotta play these metas like properly. Oh no, my turret's down.
Oh god. What was that?
Oh, quick! I gotta get back in there. Oh, I got armor up. Oh, so much death. My baby. All right, my turret's up. Oh no, far away. Come get your armor. Oh, I got this.
Kills.
Boys, get the armor.
Shots potential.
Shots potential. Are they just?
Guys are coming up the back, they're coming behind us.
Doesn't even matter. Molten cord. They got no chance.
What's this like big pile of scrap on the accumulator?
You can press E to make armor. You can press E to armor. Oh yes, get wrecked, get wrecked.
I've got my ult up. Should I pop it?
Yeah, just pop it when your turret starts shooting something, you know.
I'll wait till they come out.
Oh, do it now, do it now, do it now, do it now. Nice,
Yep.
nice. Oh, nice.
Oh god.
Oh, nice.
Holy moly,
dude, where are they getting wrecked?
This is so wrong.
They're getting absolutely. They can't even get out of their base.
They should all just go like Hanzo or something and just spam.
Well, they're trying to get Hanzo, but it's not good enough.
10-player kill streak, boy.
Can someone heal me? I need the heals. Oh, someone molten cord. Oh, they're all going Reinhardt.
Oh,
10-player kill streak. There it is.
What?
Genji's trying to do something. Genji, get wrecked.
Get out of here, Genji.
There's so much armor. The armor is just everywhere on the ground. It's everywhere. Just push it back. Just push the car back to the spot so it they haven't even pushed it.
Reinhardt.
I'm behind them. I'm behind them.
I told it.
I'm behind them. They didn't even notice that the little Torbjorn was behind them. They were too focused on the turrets.
Look at all that fucking armor.
Oh my god, it's way too much! Oh, that dragoned! He dragoned in the wrong spot!
15 player kill streak,
Dragging
I'll
our
take
turret? Why is he so dumb?
Oh my god, Molten caught it. Molten call, more like Molten called. Cause I called it.
Good
Bye,
match.
Zenyatta. Oh my god, I got an achievement. What
It's
the hell?
So tanky.
This
But
is.
it
Oh, I
doesn't
died.
matter.
I died with a 19 player kill streak.
I'm still going.
Oh my
18.
god. This is ridiculous.
We're destroying 40 seconds.
This is ridiculous. My turret's still up there. This is actually really sad for them. 22 limbs on gold. Oh, my turret's still killing and I'm still coming up. What's your kill streak, Gobin?
Hold up. It is 20.
Dude, you're gonna beat me on kill streaks. Damn. Quick, push the cart back to their base all the way. Push it all the way back.
Wait, everyone get that stupid ult from... Yeah, good.
Push it back. They got 4 seconds. Push it back as far as we can. Nice. Yes. Oh my god, we wrecked.
Nalu.
Oh yes, play of the game, Nalu. This is me, boys.
Hit that turret, boy!
Yes, play of the game. Hit the turret. Press Q and wait. I told you I get to play the game by pressing Q and not doing anything.
Oh, look at us. We all
Oh,
got
21
it.
kill streak.
No!
Yes.
23 kill streak. Oh, 23 eliminations.
23 eliminations, 21 kill streak. Oh, beautiful, boys.
Yeah, we did so good.
19 limbs.
Oh wait, did you get 23 eliminations, Gobin?
No, I got 20.
Oh, I got 23. Yes.
We
Oh,
walked.
GG.
I didn't die though, so...
You didn't die. 10 out of 10, no deaths.
Hold on, I'll be back.
I got fucking sniped twice. Fuck my life.
Dude.
Tracer jumped me right at the start and got me in the back.
Oh, dude, that sucks. I got killed twice just because I was running around, just jumping and bobbing my head out.